Hello students, in Artificial Intelligence class of 9th, I will be showing you the book which is prescribed by the Central Board of Secondary Education and it can be downloaded from the CBSE website. So this is the curriculum of class 9 and facilitator handbook. The same can be downloaded, right? So as we'll move forward, I will show you the curriculum. So these are the beginning pages, these are the about the books, and the main thing that I will be explaining you about the content. This is conceptual framework, you can read this, and this is the uniqueness of the program. That is why this program is unique, because this curriculum includes the mindset and the skill set. Okay, so we have to observe the things, we have to observe the problems, and we need to apply our skills to resolve the issues, right? So there are certain guidelines for the teachers, you need not to go about this. Okay, so this is the AI syllabus unit wise. As you can see, the first unit is Introduction to AI, and their subunits, right? So introduction to AI, it has 5 units in this. First is the excite, second is relate, third is purpose, fourth is possibilities, and fifth is ethics. Second unit, as you can see, that is the AI project cycle. Here we will be learning about the data acquisition, what are the problem scoping, and how the data can be explored, and how the model can be created with the help of artificial intelligence. The next will be the neural networks, how the networks can be created and how are they helpful in artificial intelligence. The next unit will be Introduction to Python, means we will be learning the concepts of Python, and we will learn that how the Python will be helpful. The next will be co-curricular skills. It will contain certain activities which will help the child to understand the concepts, right? So here the next page is about the assessments, and this is the learning indicators, AI outcomes, what the students will learn from the this particular topic. So these are the outcomes. Like if we first talk about the AI learning outcomes, so here the learning outcomes mean what will be from the excite. It is the name of the chapter is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and it contains 3 domains, and we will be learning about the 3 domains and what is artificial intelligence, and it will describe the rationale and applications of AI in our daily life, right? So we'll be learning one by one. So this is the translating AI on ground, and this is the first chapter we will be learning about. So this is our unit 1. So in this unit 1, as you can see, the first unit is the excite. Unit 1 and the subunit of unit 1 is excite, right? So here the title is excite and the approach is games, means we will be learning by the games here. So what the summary is given, students will play a few games that involve artificial intelligence technology and computer applications. Consequently, they will learn about the 3 domains of AI and do a quiz and reflection about this session. So after completing the session, there will be a quiz. So what will be the objective of teaching this particular topic? That is, students will get their first taste of what problems artificial intelligence can solve and become excited about learning and technology behind it, right? The students will understand what artificial intelligence can help about and how it will be helpful to resolve a problem, and what are the different technologies which will help us to resolve the problem. Second is gain the habit of solving problems by practicing critical thinking and self-directing learning. Yes, so critical thinking the students are going to do in this topic, and self-directed learning means with the help of activities students will learn very soon. And why it is self-directed? Because as the children will keep on doing the activities, they'll keep on learning the concepts. Third is to discover more about themselves and their friends. So the learning outcomes will be this: describe application of AI in their daily lives and identify the three domains of artificial intelligence. So, so the introduction of AI is, as I'm going to read this for you, that artificial intelligence curriculum hopes to inspire AI readiness in you. At the end of this program, we hope you will get a deep understanding of AI, access to AI powered tools, and the ability to create solutions with it. Ask the students to answer the questions that follow. Let them write their own views without any guidelines or instructions. After filling the questionnaire, discuss the answers with the whole class so that you get to know what their expectations are regarding the artificial intelligence curriculum. Yes, so these are the questions which every child has to do of their own without any guidance. So let's read the question first. What do you think artificial intelligence is, right? What do you think the artificial intelligence is? It is, you need to write as per your thinking. And what do you want to learn about AI? Next question is, how do you think we should go about it? And next is, what will you learn, right? So these are the answers which are to be given by you only without any help. So no issues. Use the pencil, not pen, and then please try to write the answers. Now next is the AI is a form of intelligence and a type of technology and a field of study. So AI theories, development of computer systems, it develops both the machine and the softwares and are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, right? So the work is being done. So the every work is being done, but how? Yes, of course, that will be done by the machines, but without intelligence of the human being, it is not possible, because human being is making the machine, and just because of the working which is set by the human being, the machine works. Machine does not work automatically of its own, so it is operated by the human being only. Now overall idea is a building machine and algorithms which are capable of performing computational tasks that would otherwise require human-like brain functions. So what is the idea behind it? Is algorithms are to be written, and algorithms will be capable of, they will perform computational tasks, and they will, where the human brains are required to write the algorithm, and these algorithms will be helpful to resolve a query. As you can see that one activity has been given to you, that where the artificial intelligence can help you in daily life. So in daily life you can write these answers of your own, right? Without any help, think about it, take a pencil and start writing the answer. Now the next activity is Dream Smart Home, right? So here the logistics is for a class of 40. This is an individual activity, and what it is to be done, it is an icebreaker activity to get the students excited towards the AI curriculum. So the students can use the sheet, the students can use a sketch pens, students can use the pen, pencils, whatever. Now we want to get to know you better. Home is where your heart is. Your home will always be the place for which you will feel the deepest affection. No matter where you are, draw a floor plan of your dream home. Does it have a swimming pool, or does it have a place for you to indulge in your favorite hobby? Or if you like gardening, do you have a garden indoors or outdoors? Imagine you can look down from above at all the spaces in your dream home. What does it look like? Draw it out. Yeah, this is one sample which is given to you. As you can see, in this home, everything is available, but it is being drawn as a sample, right? So on the next page, what is to be done? The children have to draw. Children have to draw their own smart home, their own ideal home. Okay, so with the smart home, basically this is the floor plan which is to be drawn by the students. So all the students have to draw a floor plan with the smart technologies over here. Okay, so there may be not technologies, there may be not very smart technologies, but here in this floor plan the students have to draw a floor plan where certain technologies are being used. So the students will highlight those smart technologies with different colors. Okay, so till now you have to do today. So this was the unit 1 and unit 1 chapter 1 excite, right? So this is what you have to do today. Thank you.